My name is Renee, and this is my au pair story. It all started on August 1st, 2016, when I left Sweden for my big adventure. I arrived at the training school in New York, where I was going to spend the next couple of days to get prepared for my time as an au pair. The last day we went into New York City, and it was so amazing. And then the day came, the day when I was going to meet my host family for the first time. I immediately felt like part of the family, and I had so much fun with the kids. I also got to experience so many things that I had never done before. And then Halloween came, and we went all in.
Are you still there?
The winter was so much fun, with a lot of snow. And Boston was so beautiful with all the Christmas lights. And then my birthday came up, and my host family was so sweet. I really enjoyed celebrating an American Christmas together, but I really missed my family in Sweden. During the spring, I was traveling a lot, and I saw a lot of amazing places. Celebrating the 4th of July in the USA was so much fun. I decided to extend my time as an au pair for 9 months in a new host family. It was crazy to think that my first year was already over, and it was so sad to leave my host family. I said goodbye to the place that had been my home for the last year and to my wonderful host family. And hello to the place that was going to be my home for the next 9 months. California is an amazing state with a lot of beautiful places. After a while, I realized that even though I might have been smiling on the outside, I was not happy inside. I was not happy in the situation I was in. It became even worse when my birthday and Christmas was coming up, and I started missing my family and friends back home more than ever before. I decided to go into rematch. It was a really tough time, but I found an amazing family in Oregon. I was pretty nervous coming into a new family right before Christmas, but I felt so welcome and loved. It was so fun to share my Swedish traditions with them. I had an amazing time.
Water bottle?
Yay!
Yay!
Got 1 point.
Where is Bella?
And then you're gonna feel it.
Where is Bella?
Hello. It's probably.
We were also doing a lot of traveling together. For example, we went to Death Valley, Universal Studios, and Las Vegas, where we met up with my family that was visiting from Sweden. We had an amazing time together. We also went to the incredible Grand Canyon. One of the most breathtaking places, if you ask me. And all of a sudden, it was time for the biggest trip of my life. My travel month. After 27 days of traveling to a lot of amazing places all over the US, I came back to my host family in Oregon. But the day that I knew was coming came way too fast. I had to say goodbye to my amazing family that helped me go from the bottom to the top. I had to say goodbye to the country that had been my home for the last 22 months. It felt so unreal. And as I felt the plane lifting off the ground, my eyes started watering. I couldn't believe that it was over. As I started seeing the Scandinavian landscapes, my eyes started watering again. It was so beautiful. I couldn't believe that in a couple of seconds, I will be on the ground where it all started almost 2 years ago. I will be home. And there I saw my family waiting for me. I was back. During my time as an au pair, I have learned so much about myself and others. There were times where it was really tough, and I thought that I might not be able to do it. But I did, and I'm so proud of myself for that. I am forever thankful for everyone that made this experience the best time of my life. Thank you.